In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Reiatsu Core here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Essentially, first things first, go to make your way over to the teleporter, interact with it, and you actually need to teleport over to Hollow Island. Now, once you arrive, go ahead and find the manipulator trainer. He's going to be all the way back here, and you're going to have to complete his quest first. So interact with him, complete all of his quest, and once you go ahead and complete his quest, you can go ahead and get the Reiatsu Core from him. Now, if you don't know where the Reiatsu Core is, you have to take out the manipulator boss. He's got a 15.72% chance to actually drop it, and that's with this current 2x luck event, so just keep that in mind. But once you have the amount that you need, make your way over here, and you can get the manipulator sword. The only reason it's still saying talk right now is because I actually already have the manipulator sword, but that is actually it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.